I'm finally giving up on Grow Network mining and Grow Network project. I introduced Grow Network to many of my viewers on the Dr. Lubengade YouTube channel some months ago, about 3 to 4 months ago. That's August or September. And since I introduced the network, there have been so many changes. Despite the changes, I have been encouraging my viewers and those coming on my channel and anyone that cares to listen that we should not give up, we should continue keeping on. But events of recent have shown me that this network or this project may not be going anywhere. Many people have come out at the first few months and say that, oh, this Grow Network is a scam, it's a scam, it's a scam. They kept saying it in the comment section of my video, but I kept encouraging other people that let's go on, let us see it to the end, let us see it to the end. But new things that they have brought up now has made me to make up my mind to give up on the Grow Network. I really apologize to anyone who have followed my videos on this Grow Network and they have decided to mine it. And despite giving up, when all things were pointed to giving up, they did not give up, they kept on continuing. I really apologize to you and on my knees, and I want you to forgive me for introducing this project to you because you trusted me. But like I said in one of my other videos too, that let's assume that this Grow Network succeeded. That means if I am the only one, I didn't tell you about it, I'm waiting for me to do it and then it succeed, then I now come back to now come and tell you about the project. By that time the project will have gone and then you will just be taking the crumbs from the project. So what I do is that when I see a good project that I think is good, I go into it and I make a video about it immediately so that we all can be able to benefit from it. And that was why when I got to know about the Grow Network and I studied it and I went into it, I made different videos about it, encouraging people to take part in the project. But events over the last few months, since June, July, August, September, October and now November, has shown me that this project is not going anywhere from my own point of view. Though anyone that wants to continue with it till December with the VPN and other things they are now asking to do can continue, and then we can get feedback from them at the end of the day. Now, when the Grow Network started, the minimum withdrawal on the Grow Network app was 3,000 G coin, which was equivalent to 52,000 naira. And then with that, you can do a lot of things. There are some people that in Nigeria, they don't earn up to 52,000 naira, even though the minimum wage is about 70,000 naira. Some people don't still earn up to that minimum wage. So for you to just mine for a few minutes every day, and then you get some change at the end of the month, that is good. But those who place withdrawal in the first month, most of them did not get paid. Some people that placed withdrawal in the second month, they didn't get paid. And then as more people were trying to reach the 3,000 G coin limit to place withdrawal, they changed the withdrawal to 7,000 G coin. So people were hoping that, okay, let's mine again the next month. And then they kept mining. As the next month was reaching, then they updated the app such that you cannot find the wallet is different, this one is different, that one is different. Then the next thing again was that people were now, they continue mining. They move everything you have mined. When you are aiming at 7,000 G coin to withdraw, they now move everything that when they list, that is when you are going to get that. And they say they are going to list by November. Now, November, here we are in November. Then they totally left the Grow Network app, decided a new app which has to do with tapping. And then they started that new app, and then it's like a counting app which they started. And then they said that's the new app they are going to be using. And then people started using the new app again. I even made a video about it, I think last week or 2 weeks ago, and encouraging people that see, let's continue and see the end of this thing. And they promised that they are going to release in November on the Grow Network app. Now with new counting app, a new app entirely. Everything people have mined before, everything gone, nowhere to be found. So it's a waste. And then you are still saying you are doing the project. You are still saying you are seeing the project. In fact, the ND CEO of Grow Network, he was saying he went to Arch, that when he's back, this and that, that and that. And then he has reduced He's reaching out to people and holding Zoom meetings, and many other things have happened. Now, what put me off on the Grow Network app currently is they requesting that I should use a VPN to be able to mine. That if I don't use a VPN, I cannot mine. It really put me off. Anything that they say, most things they will say, PayPal is not accepted in Nigeria. Once you say that any business that has to do with PayPal, I don't do it. I don't want any shit. Why am I going to be using VPN to be able to access an app? Different projects that people have been crypto airdrop people have been doing. We didn't use VPN. Now on this Grow Network, even they themselves saying we should use VPN. What is the problem with this network? Now a lot of other conditions have been brought out, and they are saying that you can withdraw 15,000 G coin and 50,000 that you mine. You can do this, you can do that, and then you must be on the app 3 hours, or you must mine 30 cycles per day. You must do all this, you must do all that. Many other crypto airdrops, they don't make things too difficult. They are not supposed to make things as difficult as this, if actually they are willing to give people something. Because you have changed things, changed the goalpost several times, and at the end of the day now you change the goalpost to this new one. You are still saying that people should do this, people should do that, giving them stringent conditions that are difficult. I am not going to take part in any VPN mining. I'm not going to take part in any of those things. I've started mining even on the counter or counting app, but as it stands now, I'm giving up on it. So what I'm going to do is, after making this video, I'll go to the app, to that counting app. I'll delete it. The Grow Network app, I'll delete all of them and do away with all of them, because from my own standpoint, this project is a scam. Many people have said it, but I was still supporting people that go on. But events that I'm seeing is pointing clearly to the scam nature of this project. I can bet you, when you place your withdrawal in December, for those who get to the 15,000 that they are saying should get to, they are not going to pay you. They will not give you a damn. What happened, if they cannot address what happened to all what people have mined before they started the counter mining app, then they should forget about it. It is of no use. So we should use our time wisely. On this YouTube channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. And I've been bringing you content about crypto airdrops. And I have said it that in recent time, crypto airdrops have become something else. The fakes are so many, and they plan it in such a way. I can bet you, by the time it is December/January, this Grow Network will come up with something else again that they will do again. Before you know it, they'll keep changing. They will keep shifting the goalpost, like a dog that you put some meat on a stick. Sorry, I paused the video because I yawned. I'm human. I'm not AI. So AI does not yawn, does not have some human gesticulations, but I do. So it's like a dog. Then you put the meat in front of the dog with a stick. Then as much as you are stretching it out, but you didn't allow the mouth of the dog to touch the meat. So the dog keep pursuing you, keep going after you, keep trying to get the meat, and you keep shifting back, like Grow Network is shifting the goalpost. I bet you that with all what they have done, I am not seeing them fulfilling any of their promises. They are going to keep making new promises and failing on them. At the end of the day, they are going to be nowhere to be found. So I will advise anyone to be careful and to really decide if they want to continue mining or not. But as for me, honestly, for the past 3 to 4 days, once it mentioned VPN on the Grow Network, I have stopped mining. I have stopped doing anything on the app. So what do you think? Finally, those who say it's a scam, we are in the same boat now. I think this network is a scam. It's very painful. It's very painful. It's very painful to note, but the antecedent and everything, the way they've changed and changed. Wow, I'm afraid. I'll talk to you in the next one. Please, on this channel, I teach you how to make money both online and offline. I have made several videos about how to make money, and currently, every day by 5 p.m., I upload a new video teaching you how to trade Forex. So, if Grow Network is messing up, why don't you learn how to trade Forex, and then with some capital, you can be able to make some money online. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now and enjoy your day.